most pleasant and a peaceful smile. Inhale, energies in. Exhale, all your stress, all your anxieties out. Inhale, peace and positivity in. Exhale, all the noises and the negativities out. Inhale, love and compassion for all. Exhale, all your grudges, all your complaints out. Let's start this session with a happy heart and a calm mind. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, long and deep. Inhale, slow and complete exhale. Omkar chanting 3 times. Inhale. Inhale. Longer and louder. Inhale. Feel the vibrations and the energies of Omkar in your complete body and mind, and try to maintain the same physical mental strength throughout your practice. Bringing both your palms together, gently rub them, place it on your eyes, blink your eyes inside your palms, very gently open them, looking into your palms. Happy morning once again. Chaliye ji. Let us start, everyone. Still, the YOLO tube is YOLO tube today. Please rename yourself. Anyone? Samsung SMX210. Please, guys, rename yourself with your own name. I don't want your phone company's names. Okay? So rename yourself. Log in with your own names, guys. Let's start. Start this session with Kapalbhati. As it's day 2, so we'll be adding 10 more strokes today. We'll be taking 30 strokes today. So it's an active exhalation, keeping your spine straight, face calm and composed. Focus only on exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Let your body connect to your breath. Once again, inhale, exhale. Start your strokes, nice and forceful active exhalation. Last 10. Complete exhale, release and relax. Ready for the active pranayam Bhastrika, everyone. Make a fist, keeping your thumb in. 20 strokes. After every 5 hand movements will be changed for warming your upper body little. Let's start. Inhale up, exhale down. Change front and back. Change side in and out. Change, cross your hands. complete exhale and relax. Now in today's session, as it is going to be a standing session, so warm up also will be in a standing position, then there will be asana sequences, and then there will be a restorative pranayam. So before that, we'll be learning one more active pranayam today. The name of the pranayama is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Surya Bhedi Pranayam is again a heat generating pranayam, an active pranayam, very good for people having kapha dominating body. अगर कफ आपकी बॉडी में ज्यादा है, बहुत अच्छा है ये प्राणायाम. अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हो, if you are planning traveling to some cold countries, cold cities, so before 15 days if you start practicing Surya Bhedi on a regular basis, your body will be adapting in that cold weather very nicely. Very good for kids also, those who are having worms in their stomach. तो बच्चों के पेट में जो कीड़े हो जाते हैं उनके लिए भी ये काफी अच्छा प्राणायाम है. Okay, and very simple to understand. Now this is the first pranayam in which you have to touch your nostrils with your fingers. Okay, so whenever it is the time to touch the nostril, there is certain fingers, only with that you can touch your nostril. So that is your thumb and your ring finger. No other three fingers you will be using to touch your nostril. So here comes the mudra, which is always made in your right hand. It's a right-handed mudra, guys. The name is Pranav Mudra. So सीधे हाथ में लगेगी. नाम है या तो प्रणव मुद्रा बोले या विष्णु मुद्रा बोले. Very simple to make. First two fingers down under the root of your thumb. So पहली दो उंगलियों को नीचे प्रेस करें और अपने अंगूठे से उसे दबा लें. Okay, so this is known as pranav और विष्णु मुद्रा. So जब भी वो सारे प्राणायाम जिनमें आपको अपने nostril को switch करना है with the fingers, you have to close one, open another. So this is going to be the mudra, right-handed mudra. Left hand, Gyan Mudra again. So as we are learning the Surya Bhedi Pranayam, so the breathing pattern is very simple. Right nostril inhale, left exhale. So this is going to be your cycle. सीधे नाक से सांस लेना है, उल्टे नाक से सांस छोड़ना है. Now Surya Bhedi, the Surya and Chandra, they are very common terms which we'll be using again and again in our session. So Surya and Chandra को simple language में समझें तो they are your nadis, or we can say they are your energies. So people who are hyperactive, that means their sun nadi, or in yogic language we call it Ida nadi. It is more dominating in your body, and that's why you are very hyperactive. जैसे जो बच्चे होते हैं उनकी सूर्य नाड़ी बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव होती है. इसी तरीके से बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं उनकी चंद्र नाड़ी थोड़ी डोमिनेट करती है, because they are very calm, composed, relaxed, always in a relaxing state. Same way people having वायु प्रकृति जिनकी होती है वात, उनका सूर्य नाड़ी बहुत एक्टिव होता है. जिनकी कफ प्रकृति होती है उनकी चंद्र नाड़ी ज्यादा एक्टिव होती है. So in that way it is always good that both your nadis remain in balance, and for that there are again more balancing pranayams which we will be learning in our further session. Today what we are doing, as it's an active pranayam, we are doing it before practice because we want to generate more heat, more energy which can support in our further intense practices. So we are learning Surya Bhedi Pranayam, activating our sun energies or the Surya Nadi. Okay, so Pranav Mudra in your right hand, closing your left nostril with your ring finger, keeping your spine straight. Right inhale, close your right nostril with your thumb, opening your left nostril, left exhale. Right inhale, left exhale. Right inhale, left exhale. Right inhale, left exhale. Last round with more awareness. Left in, right inhale, left exhale. Complete your cycle from left nostril. Relax your hands, release your mudra. So which pranayam it is? It is Surya Bhedi Pranayam to generate heat inside your body. Okay guys, so now when the body is nicely active with the pranayams and the energies breathing practices, now it's time to work on your joint mobility. So as it's a standing session, we'll be doing the warm up also in a standing position. So खड़े हो जाएं. अभी खड़े होने का there is a rule in these sessions. that whenever you are going to get up from your mat, try to get up without any support. So cross your feet and stand straight. Okay? If you are not able to do it today, at the end of 3 months, take it as a task कि 3 महीने के अंत में बिना किसी सपोर्ट के मुझे सीधा खड़ा होना है मैट पे. Okay? चलो. So let's start. Feet shoulder distance apart, hands on your waist. We'll start with neck mobility. With every inhale, stretch your neck up. Exhale, down. 5 counts of each. 2, down. 1 count, both movements. 3, down. 4, down. Keeping eyes closed during neck movement is completely optional. No compulsion. If you are not comfortable, don't close your eyes. Now hold your stretch upside. While holding, again, let's start working on your thyroid gland and your double chin fat. Open and close your mouth. Lower jaw movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Dropping your neck down. Start with the rotations clockwise. Neck rotations, everyone. 1. Inhale while going back. Exhale while coming front. 2. 3. Neck movements always with great care, great awareness. 4. Counter, everyone. Reverse your rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to center. Now open your arms out. Make a fist. Start with wrist rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your arms facing the sky. Elbow joint movements. Fingertips on the shoulders. 2. Inhale, arms out. 3. Exhale in. 4, 5. Now all fingers on your shoulders. Start with rotations. 1, 2. बीना जी खड़े होके करिए. 3, 4, 5. Counter. Ishan, keep your camera angle little up. I'm not able to see your upper body. 2, 3, 4. Those who are not comfortable in standing, you can sit and do all these stretches on a chair as well. 5. Release. Now, stretching your arms, making a fist. Keep your fist close to your thighs and start with the deep stretches with arm rotation. So stretch your arms back, rotate and bring them front. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, bring it front. 2, 3. When you are making the rotation, make sure your triceps always touch to your ears. आपके triceps आपके कानों को touch करवाते हुए हैं. 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2. Extend your arms. Extend your shoulders nicely. Deep stretch. 3. Rotation. 4, 5. Slowly release and relax. Now it's time to twist. Let's move your body and awareness to these final movements, guys. So right hand on your left shoulder, left hand wrapping behind your back. Okay? So with every exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. While twisting, make sure you are not moving your feet this way, lifting your heels up off your back leg. Okay, so keeping your feet front, stable रखो अपने lower body को. It is just torso movement. चलो, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Veena ji. 5, 6, 7. 1 plus. What did I say? You are doing the same mistake. Your heel should not come up. 10. Heel आपकी नहीं उठे. 1. 10 more. 10 more. Faster. 3. Guys, keep your heel down. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus. You are lifting your heels up. 9, 10. Now we are going for the pulses. Again a new term जो हम काफी use करेंगे अपने अगले session में. Now pulses is maintaining your stretch and intensifying it by pushing your body in the same direction deeply. Okay? So like I am taking my twist. ये मेरा twist लिया मैंने. अभी this is my basic twist. इसके आगे नहीं जा सकते. But what I can do, if I push my body this way with a frequent movement, so I am taking my twist into a deeper way. Okay, so these are the pulses. So we'll be doing 5 each side. Twist maximum and push your back shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Twist other side and push your back shoulder another side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release and relax. Open your legs, shoulder distance apart, ready for working on your side obliques with side stretches. So let's stretch your arms in shoulder line. Right palm in front of your abdomen, left stretching above your ear. Now with every exhale, stretch your body to these sides. Inhale, come up. Exhale, change. Elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Deep stretch, hip to rib, hip 9. To rib. Try to take your ribs close to your hip region, guys. 10. Now hold. Again, we are holding the side stretch and we are going to take few pulses here. Now this is my maximum stretch. Now to make it deeper, I'll be taking my body more down. Okay? So without releasing your maximum stretch, take it more down. Chalo, 10 counts of pulses here. 1, 2, 3. Tricep close to your ear. Elbow straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, back to center, side change, hold with pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. So after working on your upper body, let's activate your pelvic girdle with some pelvic movement. So start rotating your pelvic and your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release and relax. Now the upper body is done. We'll be working with our lower body. So let's start with your ankle movements, guys. So lift your one leg. You can take wall support one side. एक side आप आराम से दीवार का support रख के काम कर सकते हैं. Those who are sitting, they can do the same stretches sitting on chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg change, side change. 1, 2, 3. Keep your knees straight, Jyotika ji. Hands on your waist or take a wall support. 6. Count. Rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release and relax. Chalo ji. Now start with some knee movement. So we are going with little bit of upper body movement and knee movement. So same, stretching your arms in shoulder line. Let's start lifting your knee up. Left knee, right palm. Okay? So left knee coming up, touching with your right palm. Right palm, left knee. Left palm, right knee. Okay? Chalo. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Lift your knee higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. So when we have done some mobility stretches, now it's time to hold. So fold your leg, lock it with your palms, bring your knee close to your chest, keeping both your legs, resting leg straight, toes pointed out, and hold. 1, 2, 3, balance, 4, टीनू जी 5 वॉल सपोर्ट से लगा दो, हिप को वॉल सपोर्ट से ले लीजिए so that you can hold your stretch. 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch your leg, change your leg while holding knee close to your chest, toes pointed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vrinda ji, पीछे 9, झुको. 10. Slowly release and relax. Now the final one is your quadricep stretch. So same leg which you lifted front, lift it back, fold it, lock it either with one palm if you are taking wall support. If you are able to maintain the balance, lock it with both your palms. Keep pushing your foot close to your hip. Your both knees should be together. ऐसे घुटने आगे पीछे नहीं, दोनों घुटने एक लाइन में, and then hold. 1. Feel a stretch in your quadriceps. Nice stretch. Jyotika, knees together. 3, 4. Balance, balance, Carolina. Balance. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, Ranita. Leg change. 9. Leg change. Hold your stretch another side. 1, 2. Varsha, दोनों हाथों से पकड़ो. 3, 4. 5. Don't bend your body front side, guys. Nilima, both hands clutch. 7, 8. Good, Swati ji. 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. Okay, guys. So after knee joint, it's all about your hip joint. So we have already lifted our leg up. After lifting, holding with your same palm, open it sideways and bring it front. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While making this movement, this should not be the movement. Your upper body should be stable. Okay? So you are not going to dance with your upper body. It is only the pelvic movement. So you should feel the opening here in your flexors. So upper body को stable रखते हुए सिर्फ जितना थाई को पीछे push कर सकते हैं करिए. चलो, continue. 2, 3. Gajan ji, heel out, heel out. 4. Keep your heel little out. 5, 6. Samsung, heel out, heel out. 7. Carolina, this is not the position. The 8. Position is this. Your thigh and shin should be at 90 degrees. So guys, don't keep your heel in. Make it out. 9. And hold. Hold, everyone. Now holding either with support or without support. Want to make it more stretch, then stretch both your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4. जी झुकना नहीं है. 5. पुष्पराज झुकेगा नहीं. 6. सीधा रहो. 7, 8. Good, Zara. 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. Leg change, side change. Lift your another leg up. Heel out. Don't keep it closed. Heel out and start with the rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release movement in your upper body. 5, 6. Rashmi ji, heel अंदर है, बाहर निकालो. 7. Navya, heel out. 8. 9. Heel out. 10 and hold for holding. Hand on your knee, on your waist, or want to maximum intense, then stretch your arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, good Pooja ji. 6, 7, balance, 8, good Samsung, 9, Carolina, 10. Slowly release and relax. Relax everyone. Walk on your mat. By kicking your legs front, relax them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चलिए जी. Now we'll activate our complete leg, including our upper body, with walk on your toes and walk on your heels. So while going front, we'll be walking on our toes. While coming back, we'll be walking on our heels. So everybody stand at the back side of your mat. Back side पे खड़े हो जाए mat के. Now stretch your arms up, interlock your fingers, reverse your clutch. So stretch your upper body. With your next inhale, lift your heels up and start walking. And it should be a controlled steps. It should not be running this way. Okay? So good and nice controlled step. While walking back, walk on your heel. So take your body weight, front side as well. Chelly will be making 5 sets. Front and back. 2. Walk back on your heels. 3. On your toes while going front, on your heels while walking back. 4. Now the last set, everyone, walk front and hold your Tadasana stretch. Being on your toes, maintain your balance, fix your gaze and stay there. Feel the stretch from your toes to your ankles, to your knee joints, your pelvic joints, your core, your shoulders, your upper body. Stay there for last 5. Carolina, on your toes, on your toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your heels down, lift your toes up and stay on your heels now for next 10 counts on your heels. 1, 2, holding on your heels are more challenging. So stay there, 4, balance. 5, 6, good, Gajendra ji. 7, 8, Abhi ji, toe up. 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. Relax everyone. So now the legs are ready, upper body is ready. So our first transition is from a backward bend to a forward bend. Again, if you have any kind of lower back issue, you can go freely, fearlessly in your backward bending as deep as possible. But for forward bending, there will be a limit that I'll be showing. Okay? So everybody standing here. Whenever you are doing workout with your legs, this is the best position when feet are together. Okay? But initially, balancing with feet together is quite challenging. So either you can go for one fist gap. If that is also less, you can go for hip distance gap, or maximum is the shoulder distance. Okay? इससे ज़्यादा पैर नहीं खोलेंगे. So ये maximum है. अभी यहाँ से शुरू करिए. धीरे धीरे अपने पैरों को पास में लाएंगे थोड़े से टाइम बाद and try to keep them together. Clear? चलो जी. So then our first movement is hands on your waist, shoulders roll back, lifting your chest up, pushing your pelvic front, go down, backward bend, exhale, locking your hands back, stretch your arms. If you are having a lower back pain, this is your limit. इसके नीचे नहीं जाएंगे. And those who are good and flexible enough, try to go as down as possible. Touch your head to your knee. Inhale, come up. Exhale, front. Chalo, let's start. We'll be doing 5 sets and then 10 counts hold. 1. What happened? Inhale back, exhale front. 2. Don't close your eyes. Gajenji, when going front, we are going with the shoulder stretch. Okay, so don't miss out that. आगे जाते time we are stretching our shoulders. 3. आगे जाते time shoulder stretch. Shoulder stretch, back side, back side. Inhale back. Exhale front. Now ready to hold, guys. Everybody take your position. Lock your waist. Roll your shoulders. Lift your chest up. Pushing your pelvic up. Now go down and stay there. Eyes will be open. Breathing will be normal. Stay there for 10, 9. अस्मिता कमर पकड़ के जाओ. पीछे hold कर रहे हैं अभी back bend. 1, 2, 3 plus. We are holding the back bend. Deepa ji, we are holding the back bend. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very gently come up. Now lock your palms back. Exhale, stretching your shoulders back. Try to take your head to your knee. Those who are comfortable, or stay there with your deep forward stretch. Navya, chalo. Gajanji, shoulder. 2. Asmita, knee straight. Carolina, knee straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Come up and relax. Good, Nilima ji. Again, go for some pelvic rotation as a counter stretch. Hold your waist. Do some small rotations. 1. These are small jalebis. Okay? And when you do it with good stretch, these are the big jalebis. Okay? So when you are doing it as a counter, you can go little slow, gentle movements. When you are taking it as a stretch, you can make it as stretchful as possible. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Chalo ji. So this is about your spinal flexibility. So when you are standing on your legs, the most important thing is the grounding. Grounding means distributing your body weight equally, either when your leg is lifted, so the body should not go this way. ऐसा body नहीं दिखना चाहिए कि एक पैर उठ गया है तो पूरा दुनिया का बोझ हमने इस पैर पे ले लिया. No, your leg has lifted, but your hip is still there. So आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका बॉडी वेट सिर्फ ये पैर नहीं, ये हिप और ये उठा हुआ पैर भी उतनी ही तरीके से ले रहा है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई योर बॉडी शुड नॉट टिल्ट एट वन साइड. ओके, सो अभी जितनी भी आगे प्रैक्टिसेस में उसमें ग्राउंडिंग का थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे. चलो, नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज बेसिक फॉर द स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ योर पार्ट्स एंड थाई मसल्स. सो अगेन इट्स अ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम ताड़ासन टू उत्कटासन. ओके, फीट 1 fist gap or hip distance apart. With every inhale, stretch your arms. Lift your heels up. Tadasana. Exhale. Just imagine that you are trying to sit on an imaginary chair. So bend your knees, push your hip down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Tadasana to Utkatasana, everyone. 1 counts dynamic. 10 counts hold in every posture. 2. Inhale up, exhale down. 3. Lift your heels, drop your heels, stretch your arms back. 4. Swati ji, pelvic tucked in, pelvic tucked in. Pelvic को tuck in करके रखो. 5. Try to go without any arch, spine straight. 6. Ranita, do it from the side, side से करिए. 7. Chandrika ji, side से करो. Try to do the practices from the same angle with which I show you guys, okay? So that I can check the alignments. 9. Good, Neetal ji. 10. Now hold your Tadasana stretch. Again, stretch your heels up and stay there. 1, 2. In last 3 count, we are going to increase the challenge by closing our eyes. 5. Now last 5, close your eyes and hold your Tadasana. 2. आंखें बंद सभी की and maintain balance. Everybody started dancing. 5. Slowly release and relax. Okay, guys. So what happened when you closed your eyes? Balance disturbed. So अभी कोशिश करें बैलेंसिंग में 2-3 काउंट्स के लिए अपनी आंखें बंद करें. चलो, hold your Utkatasana. Stretch your arms back. Your knee should not cross your toes. Push your hip more down. 2, 3, 4. Brinda ji, hands stretch. 5. हाथों को पीछे रखो. We are working on the shoulder also. 7. Brinda ji, stretch your arms back. 9. 10. Slowly release and relax. Relax, everyone. Again, walk on your mat. Now there will be more intense strengthening. Okay, ठीक है सभी. Legs are supporting. चलिए, good. Okay जी. So first we'll be preparing our thighs and hamstring. So in our next transition, your legs and thighs can support you better. So open your legs as wide as possible according to your physical structure. ठीक है, जो आपकी height है, length है, उसके according पैरों को खोलें. Now this is the open pelvic. Okay, when the pelvic is front. And when you lock it one side, this is known as a locked pelvic. So as I turned it to the right, so first turn your right foot to the 90-degree right side. Now bend your right knee, lift your back heel up, push your pelvic down. Abhi, if you are a beginner, you can place your palms on your thighs and start with the pelvic pulses here. अगर इसको थोड़ा active बनाना है, stretch your arms up and start making the same pulses with free hands. Okay, chalo. Take your position. Right side, everyone. Open your legs. Turning your right foot to the right side. Lock your pelvic to the right. Now palms either on your thighs or stretch them up. Let's start. 1, 2. And as it's a pulses, so basic stretch should not release. So 3. ऊपर नहीं आना है. वहीं से hip को और नीचे push. 4, 5. Brinda ji, back heel up. 6. Back heel up. 7. Very good, Reva. 8. Good, Samsung. 9. Spine straight, spine 10. Straight. Don't bend forward. Anviji, spine straight रखो. 4, 3. श्वेता चलते रहो. 2, 1. Slowly release. Again inhale, come up, come front. Turn your left foot to the left. Lock your pelvic to the left. Back leg more stretch. थोड़ा और पीछे खींचो. Yes. Back heel lifted. Chalo, start everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus. We are taking 5. Pulses, hip up 6. And down. 7. Carolina, we are doing 8. Pulses. 9, 10. Last 5. 5. अवनी जी पूरा आगे 4. आगे झुक रहे हो. Spine 3 रखो. 2, 1. Slowly release and relax. Come. Walk on the mat. Walk करें mat पे थोड़ा सा. 1, 2. With nice inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. चलिए जी. Now again, as the quads are prepared, your hamstrings are nicely prepared, thigh muscles are strong enough to give you support in your further practice. So let's open your legs again. ठीक है जी, जितना खोल सकते हैं खोलें. Turning your right foot same way, right side, left foot front. Now stretch both your arms in shoulder line. अभी I am showing you the first mistake जो होगी सभी के साथ. We are going to take our body to the right side. So when we bend our knee, many people will go this way. ठीक है जी? So घुटने के साथ shoulder आगे नहीं ले जाना है. So you have to keep your pelvic and shoulder in one line. And after bending your knee, what we are doing? We are making the same pelvic push down. So this part you have to bend and push it down. Clear? So this is your warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2 to the right side. Now come back, join your palms. If you are a beginner, bend your left knee. This is your basic stretch, level 1. जो इससे थोड़ा आगे जा सकते हैं, they will be lifting the toe up and going more down. Those who are good enough, they can go completely down. Try to touch your calf and keep your spine straight. Okay, so this is level 3 of the Skandasana. Same way, come back, warrior 2 to the right, Skandasana to the left. Warrior 2 to the right, Skandasana to the left. Okay, chalo. We'll be repeating only 7 sets. चलिए, टेक योर पोजीशन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सेंटर, शोल्डर ड्रॉप हो रहा है, सेंटर रखो, pelvic सेंटर में रखो. 6, let's push. 7. Now hold. It's time to hold your warrior 2, everyone. Keeping your pelvic in center. Push your hip more down. Chalo, stay there. Good, everyone. 1. Look at your front hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, guys. 6. Ranita, सामने वाले हाथ को देखिए. 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, holding your Skandasana. Jyotika, shoulder shift हो गया था. Okay, so try to keep it in center. 1. Now according to your comfort level, 1, 2, and 3. 2. Wherever you are holding, try to keep your spine straight. 3, 4. Spine straight. Breathe in, breathe out. 5. 6. Good, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Come back. Come up. First relax. Walk on your mat. Guys, as you all can see, the temperature is increasing. So it's not like you are not allowed to take water during these sessions. If you sweat a lot, if you feel the energy drainage during the practices, you can have 2-3 sips of water during the practices. Okay? ऐसा नहीं है कि practice के दौरान बिल्कुल पानी नहीं पीना है. पानी नहीं पीना मतलब ग्लास भर भर के नहीं पी लेना है. Because you are generating heat in your body, and then when you are subsiding it by lots of water, so that is not going to work on your body. So make sure आप पानी पी सकते हो, but it should be 2-3 सिप ले लो, 2-3 घुट पी लो, थोड़ा गला गीला करो, and then again go front. Okay, चलो, take your position. Another side, open your legs. Both or single. 1. Audio ना, तो दोनों के single के. 2. Side या दोनों side. 3, 4, इस वाले का, रिकॉर्डिंग वाले का. 5, 6, 7, and holding, everyone. We'll be holding the warrior 2. Nine, 10. Slowly release. Go down. Skandasana, everyone, according to your comfort. 1, 2. Those who are going completely down, try to keep your heel on the floor. 3. The leg which is folded, heel down. 5. Good, Madhvi ji. Ratnakar ji, maintain. Ratnakar ji. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, Mini. What happened? हाँ, you moved like a zombie. कि एकदम से क्या हो गया? हाँ, चलो, walk, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3. So how many of you feel that my legs are strong enough? Legs are strong, supporting you guys, or they are getting tired? थक रही है पैर? थक रहे हैं पैर? चलो, अभी थकना तो बाकी है. Okay? So now we'll be doing little bit of cardio. बहुत हल्का सा cardio करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. So first we'll be going for very small skipping. Okay? So the jumping will be very small, just like you are jumping on your toes. And hand movement is just to make you that there is a rope in your hand. So it's a small jump. But the jump should be frequent. Okay? So it is just like आपको jump नहीं करना है, हाथ नहीं भी घुमाने, hands on your waist, and just jump your heels up and down, up and down. Okay? And if you can jump a little, then try to release your feet and then jump this way. Okay? चलो. So maximum 30, minimum 20. Let's start. जिन्हें jump नहीं करना है, they will be just springing their heels up and down. Those who can jump, try to release your toes also. Chalo, good guys. 25. Make it fast, fast, fast. अच्छे frequent jump है ये. बिना break के jumps हैं. 10. Last 10. चलते रहो मेघा जी, चलते रहो. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and relax, 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 relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. चलो जी. Now it is going to be a balancing challenge. अभी दो पैरों पे तो बहुत काम कर लिया. Now let's check the strength of your legs one by one. So we are going for few variation. एक ही प्रैक्टिस में 2 से 3 सेट करेंगे. Wherever you are most comfortable, you will be trying to go for the transition. नहीं तो जहाँ आपको सबसे अच्छा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर मैं stable हूँ, you can hold it there. Okay? So same way, lifting your one leg up, holding it with the same knee. The heel should be out, it should not be in. So heel should be out. Now stretch your arm up and hold it there. If you are comfortable, you can stay here. Abhi those people, because we have done a good back bend also, those who want, they can go for an arch back. And then hold it there. Okay? So we'll be holding either of the position for 10 counts. Chalo, take your position. Lift your right leg up. Hold it with your right palm. Now if you are holding it here, stretch your left arm up and stay there. Body straight. Those who want to take an arch back, try to go for a back bend and stay there. 1, 2, 3. Balance, Namita ji. 4, 5. Maintain, maintain, Carolina. 6, 7, 8, 9. Nilima, hold your knee with your palm. 10. बहुत बढ़िया नीतल जी. And release. Slowly release and relax. Leg change, side change. Hold your leg. Holding it with the same palm. अनुपमा जी, same हाथ से पकड़ो जो पैर उठाया है, उसी palm से पकड़िए knee को. And hold the knee, only the knee. Savita ji, don't hold your calf. Calf तक नहीं पहुंचो, just lock your knee. Yes. Now either standing straight or taking an arch back. Let's hold it there. 1, 2, balance, balance, balance. 3, 4, 5. Good, Sandhya ji. 6, 7. Maintain. Rashmi ji, maintain. 8. Sachin ji, more arch, more arch. 9 and 10. Slowly release and relax. Relax completely. Walking on your mat. Now relax your complete legs by relaxing your knee joints. Do some knee rotations. So bend your knees, cupping them with your palms. No pressure. यहाँ body छोड़ नहीं देनी है. Okay? So just we are cupping our palms on there to take a support. And go for the knee rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release and relax. Sit in a comfortable position. Back and spine straight. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Eyes closed. Face with a gentle smile. Smile. Full of confidence, strength, positivity, and hope. Now to relax your body and mind more, 3 rounds of the cooling restorative pranayam, Chandra Bhedi. The breathing pattern will be just opposite to the Surya Bhedi. Now we have to inhale through our left and exhale through our right. Okay? So उल्टी नाक से सांस लेना है, सीधी नासिका से सांसों को छोड़ना है. Mudra will remain same. Pranav mudra. Locking your right nostril. Left inhale. Right exhale. Left inhale. Right exhale. Left inhale. Right exhale. Last round with more awareness. Left inhale. Right exhale. Complete your cycle from left nostril to take all these energies, relaxation, peace to each and every nerve and cells of your body. One long and loud omkar, then prayers to heal the universe. Join both your palms together. Inhale. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Peace to your mind, peace to your soul. Rub both your palms gently. Place it on your eyes. Blink your eyes inside your palms. Once again, nice energetic calming. Now relax your complete body from head to toes with lots of love, kindness, and gratitude. Relax, relax, relax. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile again. Thank you so much, everyone. So, guys, this is all about the legs, their strength, their flexibility, their mobility. So, let's see where do you scale your leg strength and your balancing, because in further session practices will be more intense, more deep. So if you were very comfortable today, so that is really a good sign that your legs are supporting you nicely. Anything regarding today's session?